Hey everyone, we're going to continue our talk on inequalities today, similar to what we did yesterday, but with equations that are a little bit harder to graph. So let's start with the inequality y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x minus 4. So we start graphing this inequality just like we would any old equation. We start with our constant, which is -4. So we count down 4. And what makes this a little more complex is that our slope is a fraction, and I want you to take your time on these fractions. Remember, it's rise over run. So we need to go up or down first, and we always run to the right. So if my slope is 1/2, I'm going to rise 1 and run 2 to the right. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. And then I'm going to go the opposite. Down 1, this time left 2. Down 1. Okay, once I have a good amount of points plotted, I need to decide, is this a solid line or is this a dotted line? So I need to look at the inequality. Since it's equal to, it's a solid line. So I'm going to go ahead and take my ruler and connect it with a solid line. And now that I have my line graphed, I need to decide which side am I going to shade. So I'm going to pick a test point. 0, 0 is open, it's not on the line, so I'm going to test that point. Plug in 0 for x and 0 for y. So 0 is greater than or equal to 1/2 times 0 minus 4. 1/2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 is -4. We have 0 is greater than or equal to -4. That is a true statement. And remember, when it's true, it is a point. So we shade the side that contains the point. If it's false, we shade the opposite side. So now let's review one more before I ask you to try it yourselves. Let's try y is less than -1. Let's do 2/3. 2/5. X plus 4. Okay, so we're going to start at our constant, +4. And our slope is -2 over 5. So remember, rise over run. We are rising -2, so that means we're going down 2, running 5, and we always run right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can go the opposite way. Up to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have enough points. Now decide solid or dashed. There's no equal to sign, so that means it's going to be a dashed line. Okay, and now that we have that, we're going to use a test point. Again, 0, 0 is free, so let's use it. 0 is less than -2 over 5 times 0 plus 4. -2 over 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 is less than 4. That is a true statement. That means 0 is a point. So now we're going to shade the point with 0, 0. So now I want you to give this a try with our fraction equations on your homework, and let me know if you have any questions.